Hello, dear students. Now I am dealing with module 4 of your network and cyber security subject. Here, the prescribed textbook is cyber security managing systems, conducting testing, and investigating in intrusions by Thomas J. Mowbray. This module has two parts, that is executive summary, and second is the problems, cyber anti patterns. Now move on to executive summary. Effective cybersecurity is a critical capability for the defense and preservation of civil society. Cybercrime is one of the world's largest and fastest growing categories of crime. Cyber criminals are responsible for more than 1 trillion USD in stolen funds and other assets, with crime in some segments growing 300% per year. Even the world's smartest companies and government institutions have terabytes of intellectual property and financial assets being lost annually via the internet. Cyber criminals, civilian or military cyber warriors, and global competitors are deeply entrenched in your network. If you have information worth stealing, it is likely that the attackers are on your internal network, exfiltrating data from your end users and controlling key administrative nodes. If organizations don't change the way they are defending themselves, personal identifying information, bank account and credit card numbers, and intellectual property that defines competitive advantage will continue to be stolen. Next, move on to network architecture. The cybersecurity crisis is a fundamental failure of architecture. The architecture of the internet and the vast majority of deployed software creates significant opportunities for malicious exploitation. It is worth stating that if infrastructure and software technologies were engineered properly, they would be built to withstand known and manage unknown risks, and they would be significantly more secure than current day technologies. Next, anti pattern. So, what is anti pattern? Anti patterns employ a psychological framework for solving problems whose cause involve habitual mistakes. Anti-patterns require a mind shift from the dispassionate mindset of mathematics and engineering into the judgmental of enterprise architecture and organizational change. Anti-patterns have ancient root in governance, law enforcement, religion, and public administration. Anti-patterns are an adult form of name calling used to control society. Next, signature based malware detection versus polymorphic threats. The conventional wisdom is that all systems with up to date antivirus signature will be safe. However, many popular antivirus solutions are nearly obsolete, with many missing the majority of new malware. Current signature based antivirus engines miss 30% to 70% of malicious code and nearly 100% of zero-day infections, which by definition are unreported exploits. Malicious signature growth is exploding from five new ones per day in 2000 to 1500 per day in 2007 and 15,000 per day in 2009. According to Semantic, which is an average of 200% to 300% cumulative growth per year. Malware variability has grown so rapidly that signature based detection is rapidly becoming obsolete. The proliferation of malware signature is exploding primarily due to polymorphic malware techniques. And the next topic, reputational, behavioral and entropy based malware detection I will discuss in the next video. Thank you.